Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Intuitive Reiki Workshop. We recently looked at the feedback that we got over the years for the various events and workshops and courses we do at the Reiki Academy and realized that the Intuitive Reiki Workshop is everybody's favorite. It is so engaging, it's so much fun, and it really goes so deep. Intuition is not really something that we have. Intuition means we are opening up. We are opening up to spiritual, universal, whatever you want to call it, guidance. So we learn to listen. And we slowly get into this mode of letting go of blockages, of going, you could say, beyond our ego, and just learn to trust what we are given. We go through a series of different meditations and cleansing exercises to get to that point. Then we have a look at the body scanning, Biosen Reikan Ho, but we do that with two people doing the scanning, one after the other on the same person. So you can actually compare notes, and that is amazing. And then we'll change and change again, so everybody is able to have themselves scanned and to experience what it is like to learn to trust your physical information that you get in your palms about the person you are treating. We'll also look at Reiki Ho again, being guided by spirit, where we don't trust a physical experience, but we learn how to really listen and get an idea, an image, a word in our mind. And again, we do that with two people at the same time. And often the hands kind of just clash in the middle because they want to go to exactly the same place. There was this wonderful moment at the last workshop that I actually took a picture of, because there was these two ladies being guided to exactly the same spot, and kind of very naturally, one hand was placed, then the other lady placed her hand on top, then the first again, and the second again. It was such a beautiful and very deep experience, and it felt amazing for everybody involved. And we will explore a technique that for me is the most amazing technique ever in Reiki, Biosen Shiryo-ho. That means finding the root cause of a problem. If you are suffering from a chronic illness, if you have some kind of recurring problems in your life, and at some stage you stop and think, well, why is this happening again and again? What's the reason behind? Where is that all coming from? Then in this exercise, you may get an idea in your mind as the recipient, as the client, and as the practitioner about how that all started. It may be a childhood trauma, it may be some event that happened, it may be a lifestyle choice. It's incredible how helpful this is. It really breaks up blockages and helps us to look at our life in a different way and to very, very deeply heal at various levels. It's a full-on day of experience with wonderful, like-minded people and a lot of fun. And I look very much forward to seeing you there.